Yes, hello everyone. This is Simon Peter, and welcome to my channel. And today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a Royclub investment account. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to know some few things that we need. So, how to register a Royclub account? Okay, so what we'll need. So first of all, we shall need a Royclub referral link for the person who invited you to Royclub. Okay, then definitely we shall need a Prism wallet that has the message signing capability. So as you can see, it's specific that we need one with a message signing capability because that is how Royclub provides its security, in that it eliminated the need for emails, usernames, passwords, but utilize the capability of message signing to provide security to individual account funds. Okay, so we shall need a Prism wallet that has a message signing capability. Now, as you've seen, we shall not be able to use the official uh, Prism wallet, the official Prism wallet, because it does not have a message signing capability. But we have two options, which is Singen and then obviously the Royclub wallet. Okay, so first and foremost, right now Singen probably they're done with their maintenance. Their site should be active. But we shall see. So first and foremost, go to the Royclub website where you just click, you type in the URL bar, you type roy.club, okay, and then it brings you to this default page. So from here now, there is, we click on registration, okay, it will take us down. So as you can see, there are two options. We can either use Singen.pro or we can create a Roy.club wallet. Okay, so in this particular example, I'm going to use a Roy.club wallet. I'll show you how to create it. We shall activate it, and then we shall see how to proceed with the process. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to use a Roy.club wallet. So I'm going to click this. Okay, so before I click this, we're going to come here and let's create. Okay, so how do you create a Roy.club wallet? Okay, so when you go to Royclub, you click on wallet up here. Okay, okay, so as we can see, this is the page. So we can see here it says create a wallet. Okay, so generate a mnemonic phrase. To do this, click create. So we just click create. Actually, setting up a Roy.club wallet is actually the simplest. Even Singen is quite simple. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you a mnemonic phrase, and you need to copy and save this mnemonic phrase. This mnemonic phrase is like your, it is like your password. Okay, it is like your password. So let's save it there. Okay, then so after you have saved it, you need to write it down somewhere. Now note that once you forget this mnemonic phrase, you will not be able to access your account. There is no recovery whatsoever. So this is very important. Make sure you never forget. So from there you click I have saved it, of course, which I have. I've pasted it. Then we say sign in. Okay, all right, cool. So we're actually done with creating a Roy.club wallet. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to sign in. So we shall basically just copy our mnemonic phrase. Okay, it's already on my clipboard, but we can just copy it. Copy that, come back to the website. So we can see we have options of signing into the wallet using the mnemonic phrase or the Prism address. But right now we are going to use the mnemonic phrase. Okay, so we click sign in. Okay, so once we sign in, now we can see our details. We can see we have no transaction records because this is just a new account. Now we can see our Prism address here. This is our wallet address. We can go to copy that. We shall just save it here. Shall save it here. Can say the address. Okay, go to save it there. Okay, then we shall go back. Yeah, this is our public key. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure we first activate this. Okay, very quickly. Okay, and then I'll just say, let me just write PK to represent public key and put it there. Okay, so in order for us to be able to use this wallet well, we need to do something we call activation. Okay, so in order to activate your wallet, it just needs a unit of of as low as 0.06 prisms. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to use our prism wallet here to activate it. So what we're going to do, we're going to send money to that. Okay, so I'm going to put my public key. Okay, then I'm going to go back. I'm going to pick the address here. Okay, I'm going to put that there. This is going to be 0.06. That is the minimum. Okay, I'll just write activating wallet. Okay, then shall click proceed. It will show the confirmation details. Then we submit. Okay, so as it processes that, okay, still processing. Yeah, so after the wallet has been activated, then now we shall go and we shall now be able to proceed to create the Royclub account. Okay, so as this processes, we shall get back here. So let's just check here. Maybe let's refresh our account here. Let's see. Okay, still no transaction. Okay, because here is still this part is still frozen a bit. Okay, let's just wait for it. So usually it's supposed to show us after the transaction has to come here. So we shall wait for that. So as we're waiting for that, let's go back to our Royclub website. So I will tell them that I already have. Okay, so I'll click this because I already created it. Now for these purposes of this video, we shall say we have already bought. Okay, so assuming we already have our prisms ready for investment, we tell them no, we have bought. But as you can see, you can buy prisms from different websites. Even Singen itself, you can buy prisms. You can buy prism directly using your credit card or debit card from crypto buy card. Okay, then we have other exchange sites like BTC Alpha also. Okay, so I'll say I've bought. So you click that. Okay, so now this is the part where we shall enter our wallet details. Okay. Okay, this is frozen. Let me first refresh this and see. Okay, so yeah, so we can see our transaction has been made, and let's refresh this to see our transactions here. Okay, yeah, as we can see, yeah, transaction has come in. I think two. Okay. Say two transactions made. Okay, but that's fine. All right. So what we shall do, we shall now copy this, and then now we can proceed. So we put the address here. So if it was also for Singen, you would be doing the same. You would be getting the Prism address and also its public key from your Singen website, and then so we shall click sign up. Okay. So since it's already activated, it will just continue that. So you'll reach this page, and it will provide for you the investment address and the public key. So this is what you need to now make your deposit to your Royclub account. Okay, so you would say I've already invested, and you can always do this later now when everything is there. But in case you have the money already there, you just copy this and you say, so let's say this, we had, of course, we have 100 prisms here, and would want that, we would just copy this, would just send money directly to that to this address. Okay, so now you'll click say I've invested. Yeah, then you see the credit of investments transaction may receive 10 confirmations in the prism, so that it appears. So yeah, cool. So we shall click sign in, and from that point, yes, we can see that we have created a Royclub account. As you can see, still our investment address details are here. So whenever you want to fund your Royclub account, this is the section you would come to. Then we can see, yes, this is our address from our Royclub wallet. We can see it is that. Okay, now we can see, yes, this is our leader from the referral link that we used to register. You remember we used this referral link, and you can see this is the ID. That is 7657. We can see that is the same one there. So that is the person you used to register under. Okay, yeah, so this is the balance where when you fund your wallet, it will appear here. Then we can see we can easily log out. So this is how it is. So we can just log out. So now our Royclub account has been created. So that is how you create it, guys, and I hope this has been useful. So in case you want to still log in, you click login now, since you already have an account, and the Prism address of your Royclub wallet is the one that you'll use if you used Royclub wallet to create the account. If you use Singen, you would use the Singen wallet address. Okay, so here we can see we put that in, then we just click sign in, and yeah, voila, we're inside our account again. Yeah, so that is it, guys. So that is how you create it. I hope this has been helpful, and yeah, this is how you create a Royclub account. Otherwise, thank you guys so much. I hope this information has been useful.